Guys, this session we are going to see about how to create a data store, new data store. So before creating the data store, we have to send a mail to storage team to map the LUN to ESXi host. So for example, if you want to create a data store on this ESXi host, we have to provide this ESXi host WWN number, PN number to the storage team. And once we provide it, then the storage team will allocate the LUN on this particular ESXi host. After that, we can able to create a data store, new data store. So currently we are having one data store in this particular two ESXi host. So we already mapped we already allocated the LUN for these two hosts. So now we are going to create new data store. So right click the ESXi host, go to the storage, new data store. So then next, so the allocated LUN will be shown here. If the storage team is not allocated the LUN, we are unable to see the LUN here. The storage team already allocated the LUN, so we can able to see the NAID and LUN ID. Okay, now select the exact LUN and name the data store. The name should be as per the standard naming standard. ERD 02 PRD hyphen data store 01. So we are naming PRD hyphen data store 02. So should be a naming standard. Then next, so should be a VMF 6. Then next, so in our lab we have allocated 60 GB. So what I can do, in production you have to select entire 50 size, then you can go for the next. Now I have to reduce the size because of some other purpose. I'm going to allocate. So that's it, data store. Now the data store will be created. Once the data store is created, we can able to see the data store on both ESXi host. So you can see now the data store is created. Now we can able to keep the VMs on both data stores. So you can see now ESXi01 also showing the data store, both data store. ESXi02 also we can able to see the data store, both data stores. So that's it. So we need to first we need to provide the WWN number, PN number to the storage team with the host details. Then they will allocate the LAN. Once they will allocate the LAN, then we can right click the host, storage, new data store. That's it, you can create the data store. Okay.